Guys, today I will show you how to install Garry's Mode on PC. So, first head over to Google and type in Steam download. So, click on the first link. Click on Install Steam. This will guide you through the installation of Steam. Click on Installation Yes and Next Install and get it launched. Click on Close. This will launch your Steam app. Right away, after the Steam is successfully downloaded and installed, log in to your account. Now, just head over to search bar here, type in Garry's Mode, and click on this. So, here we'll guide you through to add your Garry's Mode to your Steam. So, let's click on Add to Cart, and here just click on Purchase Garry's Mode. Head over to your cart and click on Redirect to Payment. So here you can have ability to add your payment method, PayPal or Visa card, or other payment methods, and just complete your payment details. And you will be proceeded to checkout to purchase and install Garry's Mod on your PC with Steam. And this is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.